LEONIE. I'm a licensed esthetician. I'm certified lash tech. Also New York State licensed tattoo artist. So I'm also able to do microblading and other permanent makeup. I was a client. I was like highly obsessed with my lashes. I was currently running an online business, and I wanted to broaden out and get into another field, which I've always been into the beauty field. And then when I started looking up information, I started realizing that I had to become a licensed esthetician in order to legally do lashes. So when I went to school to become an esthetician, I started learning about all these other fields that I can get into. What sets me apart is the fact that I really care about my clients, and I kind of like build that relationship with them. Like some of them are basically like my friends. Like I don't have one client that I can think of that I dread seeing. Currently we're offering facials, chemical peels, glycolic peels, jasmine peels. We're going to be really focusing on really helping people to bring people's natural glow back. What I'm going to be using, the LEONIE lash lift, is basically a keratin lash lift. I will be putting a rod on the top lid of your lash. Then I'll be applying adhesive to stick the lashes to the rod, and then we'll be starting the process that way.
Little bit of the lash tinting dye on my eyes, but this is the lift. So as you can see, of course I don't have long lashes, but from the before of, you know, just straight, now they are actually up. This is a type of service that you would get if you haven't tried mink lashes or lashes period, and you want to see what it's like, you know, or if you get lashes a lot and you're in between and need to take a break. This is also a good alternative. I think the lash lift is probably for girls or guys who have long lashes and just want to lift them and make them more present, especially if they are droopy and down into your eyes. But for me, someone who likes dramatic lash and who barely has a lash and has gotten addicted to strip lashes, I don't know. I think that you should probably just stick with the mink lashes. But To each his own. I definitely feel like Leonie still did a great job. I just realized that lash lifting is not for your girl. Give me the minks, okay? Give me the minks. Seriously, give me the minks.